Introducing the Model 510 waterproof sport digital video recorder from DX. Super solid multi-use, high-def DVR in the style of GoPro. A complete kit for indoor and outdoor sport video shooting with multiple mounting solutions. The included clear polycarbonate case is waterproof, dustproof, and shock resistant. The camera accepts a TF memory card for up to 32 gigabytes of pictures of video. In addition to the windshield mounting cup, once inside the waterproof case, the kit contains all the brackets needed for quick connect to a multi-angle bar mount, perfect for bicycles, motorcycles, or any other vehicles. Once installed, the 140-degree wide-angle lens will perfectly capture all of your action in 1080p high-definition video. So pick up the F10 from DX today. Capture all of your life's action.